Hello children, today we will learn rhyming words of ig and in sound. Before we start writing, first you write date, then you write heading in line number 1, I vowel. Then in last column, you write CW classwork. Now in line number 2, you write down IG ig. IG ig sound word. So our first picture is pig. Children, pig is an animal. Okay, you can see this animal on road. So sound of this word is pig. There are 3 sounds in this word. So write down first sound p. P says p. Now middle sound e. I says E. Now ending sound G. G says G. P, pig. One time more. P. P says P. E. I says E. G. G says G. P, pig. Our second picture is, see this picture, it's a picture of fig. Fig is a fruit. So sound of this word fig. So write beginning sound F says f. Now middle sound E. I says E. Now ending sound G. G says G. Fig. Once again, F says f. E. I says E. Now ending sound G. G says G. Fig. Now see the third picture. It's a picture of big star. So sound of this word big. B says B. Now middle sound E. I says E. Ending sound G. G says G. Big. Now once again B. B says B. Middle sound E. I says E. Ending sound G. G says G. Big. Now, fourth picture is wig. So, children, wig means artificial hairs. Okay? So, sound of this word is wig. Write beginning sound w. W says w. Middle sound e. I says e. Ending sound is g. G says G. Wig. Now once again we'll write this word W. W says W. E. I says E. G. G says G. Wig. Children, now we will write I and N sound rhyming words. So, first word of in sound is bin. See the picture? It's a picture of bin. Bin means container used for storage. bin वो होता है जिसमें हम अपना कोई भी चीज स्टोर करते हैं, जैसे डस्टबिन में आप वेस्ट मैटर स्टोर करते हैं. ओके, सो साउंड ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज bin. So write first sound b. B says b. E. I says e. Now ending sound N says bin. One more time we will write this word b. B says b. Middle sound E. I says E. Now ending sound N says B, I, bin. Which picture is this? It's a picture of pin. What is pin? Pin is a small pointed piece of wire with a rounded head used specially for fastening pieces of cloth. ये कपड़ों को जोड़ने के काम आती है और ये एक शार्प पॉइंटेड मेटल का पीस होता है. ओके, सो साउंड ऑफ दिस वर्ड प ई पिन. प, P says P, E, I says E, ending sound N says P, E, pin. One more time we will write this. P, P says P, E, I says E, N says P, E, pin. Now, third word is, see the picture? It's a picture of win. What is win? Win means to do the best and come first in a contest or a game. Win का मतलब होता है जब भी हम कुछ अच्छा करते हैं तो हम उस किसी भी कॉन्टेस्ट में, किसी भी गेम में हम फर्स्ट आते हैं तो उसे कहते हैं विन करना. ओके, साउंड ऑफ दिस वर्ड व ए win. So write beginning sound w. W says w. Middle sound e. I says e. Ending sound N says w. E. Win. One more time we will write this word w. W says w. E. I says e. Ending sound N says v, e, win. Okay, now last picture. It's a picture of tin. Tin means container. टिन एक कंटेनर होता है जिसमें आप कोई चीज रख सकते हैं. जैसे आप कोक का भी देखते हैं ना, कोल्ड ड्रिंक का भी कंटेनर होता है ना, इसे हम टिन कहते हैं. साउंड ऑफ द वर्ड ट E, tin. So write beginning sound T. T says T. Now middle sound E. I says E. Now ending sound N says T. E. Tin. One more time T. T says T. Now middle sound I says E. Now ending sound N says T, E, tin. So now you have learned rhyming words of ig sound and in sound. Now you do this work neatly in your notebook. Bye bye.